All right, here's a couple problems where we're going to use our calculator. Question number 9 just asks us to evaluate the integrals. So if you hit second window, you've got all these choices right here. And the one we want is finint, function integer, which is choice 4. So you can either arrow key or choose that, and it pops right up with the template. And you just fill in what the question says. So from 2 to 4. And then we're going to have e to the negative, and you can use x here. There's no need to try and bring a t into that. It's just a variable. So we'd put in e to the negative x squared, and then over here in this last spot we would put that x and hit enter. So there you go. The answer for this particular one is negative 0.004145. So if you're in my class, on this particular guy, we probably need 5 decimal places, but depends on who your teacher is and where they need you to go. So there you go. There's the whole thing right there. Now, if you have an 83, it's a little bit different because you've got to you'll find under the math key the function integer, which is choice 9. And then on the 83, you would put in the function, and then comma, and then x, and then comma, your lower limit of integration, comma, your upper limit of integration. And I've got a separate video on that you can find on my YouTube channel. Okay. So here we go. Evaluate this guy. He's a little bit different. So here we are, choice 9, function integer. We're going to go from 3 to 5. Now, one of the cool things about the 84 that's really nice in the Inspire as well is that you can put a fraction in. So on this particular guy, we're going to use that fraction bar. So if you hit alpha y equals, that brings up this menu, which is numerator, denominator, choice 1, and that's the one we want. So we'll pick that guy. Now, dx is over everything over here. Dx is over everything. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use a 1 to hold that place on top. And then underneath, we're going to get our square root in there. If you're doing this on an 83, you're going to have to keep up with some parentheses. It's not a big deal. You're used to that, so just pay attention so that you get all your parentheses in the right spot. And then lastly, we'll put the x in. And we end up with 0.681968. Again, now, if you're in my class with this particular guy, three decimal places is good, 4 is better. But again, it depends on your teacher. But that's using the Inspire. The keystrokes are very similar also for Inspire. This is the 83, or sorry, the 84. The keystrokes on Inspire are very similar. So if you've got an Inspire, just click the button right under the book. And there will be an integral guy in there. I've got a video on that on my YouTube channel as well, so feel free to check it out.